If you have applied the light token correctly, to create a dark token would be a piece of cake, and I will show you within few seconds you can create it. So on the screen, I have some of the design which are there right now. And each of the screen, if you select, you will see that they are all coming from the tokens. And these are all the token that we have in the variable right now. So in the variable, we have a semantic token. And here is the light theme. Now I want to add a dark theme to this one. So I just have to click this button, say new variable mode. I will say this one as dark theme, and I want to change this all the value and it will start reflecting here. But to see this one in the sync, X out of here, select all the things that you want to look into how it looks in a dark mode. For that, select all of that, go on the right hand side, go to the appearance first of all. Okay, yeah, here is the appearance. Go to this icon, apply variable mode, go to the semantic, which is where our dark and light themes are there, and I will select the dark theme. Notice that when I click on this one, nothing would happen. But I want you to notice on the left hand side of the layer. So you see previously this dark theme chip was not coming in. Now this has been activated, and that is exactly what we want. Now, whatever the change you do on a dark mode will automatically start reflecting on the screen. I will go to the variable, right, and you can just see how magical this happen. So I go here, fine, and I will say I want to change it to, let's say, gray 950. This one I want to change it to gray 700. Then after I want to change this thing to primary 100. This one I want to change to primary 50. Fine, you just keep on seeing the screen. This one I want to change it to gray 800. This I want to change it to gray 900. I think 700 was, let's double check what I have done. Okay, this is grade 800. I think this would be grade 700. Gray 700. Yeah, so just be a little odd. So this is something which I want to make it to gray 800. And this one I will make it to gray 900. And to see this in real world example, select the one that you want to change it. Let's say for the, I want to change this frame. I will go here, change it to light, change it to dark. This happens automatically. If I select all of this thing, and I will just go here and say I want all of this thing in a light mode, all of this thing in a dark mode. This will change happen automatically because it is connected with the dark theme tokens. Hope you have enjoyed the video.